Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 3D modeling tutorials for exercise number 3. Okay, use the line tools to create lines in red axis 127 for length. Can zoom in, create again in green axis 127, red axis 127, and you can connect at this point. The next, use measurement tools, step measurement to set the reference. Like you can set 12,7 and create line again from this point into here. Now use the pull tools to pull from this face to the top. Set 127 and select at these objects. We extrude 12,7. Now in the bottom here, you can connect by using the line tools. Click from these points to the corner points. You can erase this edge and also in the side here. Use step measurement again and click at this edge, move into middle point. Click again, move into middle point and set for length 30. Okay, to the top here. In grand axis 30 and in red axis 30, the last to this direction 30. Create rectangles from these points into here. Now you can use the pull tools to cut these objects. So I create hole in here. Okay, in this face, we create again step measurements, okay, into center point. And I will draw three angle. Use the polygon tools. Set as number of 3. You can tap 3. Press enter. And click at these points. Move to the top. Set for length 40. And use the pull tools again to create holes in this area. You can select the reference line. Press delete buttons to delete. I will use step measurement again, create from this edge into the corner here, from this edge to the corner in the top. I use line tools to draw a line and create again line in this point. Use pull tools to convert into 3D with length 12,7, also in this triangle 12,7. Use the erase tools to erase unused edge and in this side. After it, I will create circle in the center of this face. Use the tape measurements to make the reference line and create circle with radius 30. Also from this point, middle point, midpoint, radius 30. And use erase tools to erase this arch. Use pull tools to create holes. Click, hold, and then move, release. Click, hold, and move, release. The last, you can delete this reference line. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp 3D modeling tutorials for exercise number 3. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.